Hello, students. Let's start the journey of studying and teaching, which is the endless part of learning. Yes, students, today we are going to start the third part of birth chapter, which has been written by A.G. Cronin. It is the story of devotion, emotion, sacrifice, courage, fear, and hard work. Let's highlights of the second part. Yes, students, what we had studied in the previous part, the case demanded all attention of Dr. Andrew. Dear students, you know Dr. Andrew when reached the house of Joe Morgan. Suzanne Morgan was lying on the bed, and she needed the attention of doctor, so he had to stay there. And next is Dr. Andrew's mind wandered. When he was waiting for the time of birth, he sat beside the fire in the kitchen and started to think about his girlfriend Christine and some unsuccessful married life. Next is the birth of the baby and horrifying dilemma. Actually, you know, the birth of baby, the baby was born, it was lifeless, and it was not breathing, and its color was white. Seeing the lifeless stillborn baby, the doctor was horrified. Now and after that he saw that the mother's condition was also very critical. She was not in a good situation, in good condition. The doctor was in horrifying dilemma, whom he should recover first, whom he should pay attention first. Now, so he decided to see the mother first. Let's start the chapter now, the third part of the story. Dr. Andrew's efforts to save the child. As you know that the baby was born, but it was stillborn. It was not in a good condition. Dr. Andrew recalled a case in Samaritan and the treatment. I want to tell that once Dr. Andrew recalled a very critical case in Samaritan, and he had seen that what the treatment was given there, and he thought to give that treatment here to the child. He asked the midwife to bring hot water and cold water in two bowls. He decided to do experiment with the child. He asked the midwife quickly to bring hot water and cold water in two bowls. The midwife went and she arranged the cold water and hot water in two basins, and he started plundering the child alternately, first in cold water and then in hot water. You can see contrast hydrotherapy means he used contrast hydrotherapy. He asked for two bowls which were full of cold water and hot water, and now he started plundering means dipping. Now he started to dip the child first in the cold water and then in the hot water, and hot water was so hot so that his hands could bear it, and he tirelessly he continued to do this, and the sweat was running in his eyes means tirelessly, and he worked very hard to do this. And next, after 15 minutes hard work, he did not get any result. He could not succeed. Nothing happened. We can say nothing happened there. And next, the faces of the midwife and the old lady were disappointed, yet he continued. The doctor saw the two women who were sitting inside the room, the midwife and the old lady, whose faces were faded because due to hopelessness. They were disappointed. So Yet the doctor continued. He did not pay attention to the faces of the midwife and old lady. He did not lose his courage and hope. He continued to do this. Next is the miracle happens. Suddenly, what happens? He was trying his hard. He was trying his best. Suddenly, the miracle happens. What happens? Andrew started rubbing the child's chest with rough towel. Andrew at once decided to take a towel and he decided to rub the child with the towel. And in this hope that the child will get revived. And next is thumped his little chest to get breathe into limp body. Actually, as you know that the body of the child was loose, and he started to press the little chest of the baby first and then released. Pressed and released, pressed and released. In this way, he continued to do this until he got success. And next, a miracle happens. Suddenly, there was a it was a matter of happiness that a miracle happens. What was the miracle? The child started to breathe. The child became alive. Okay, there was movement in the child's body. Child's chest began moving. Yes, and next Dr. Andrew felt weak and nervous seeing the life springing under his hands. Really, it was a great joy for the doctor students. You know what happened? Doctor became speechless. First, he was weak and nervous, and due to being weak and nervous, he could not understand, and the life was springing under his hands. He doubled his effort. When he saw that the child did some movement, he again started to do the hard work. He redoubled his attempt. The skin turned pinkish. Means now the skin began to turn pink. From the white, life came to his limbs. Now lifeless limbs became alive. It was a miracle that happened there. The child cried. Now the people of that house wanted to see the movement of the cry of the child. Now they heard the cry of the child. It was really a great moment. The midwife exclaimed with tears of happiness. There were tears in the eyes of midwife, and she raised her head upside and asked, "Oh God, he has come alive." Now really a wave of happiness passed there. And what happened next? Dr. Andrew is relieved. Now, Dr. Andrew gets relieved after struggling hard, after doing a lot of struggle. And next, after frantic effort, means after frantic and endless effort, the doctor got success. Dr. Andrew felt weak and speechless. He had no words to speak because he had achieved what he had never dreamed in his life, as he had started his career as a doctor. And next is all other members were praying. Really, it was a great moment, students. You can feel, you can make a picture, image of that house. All the members were praying, their hands were upside. They had raised their hands towards God and they were praying. And next, you can see a picture I have given you for you. The lady is praying. The doctor comes out after unusual victory. Really, it was a great victory, unusual victory in the life of, in the future of doctor, and told that he would fetch his bag later. Means he told the midwife that he would fetch the bag later. Means वो bag को बाद में मंगवा लेगा. Okay, and he went from there and drank water for long, because he was happy after getting success, after getting victory. The doctor gave this news to Joe, who was wandering here and there outside of the house with excitement. Okay, he wanted to know what will happen to his wife and child. That both mother, he informed, he told him, he gave him the happy news that the both mother and child were safe. Okay, and next, Morgans were extremely happy. The Morgan family was were very happy. They felt great joy. Dr. Andrew feels as if he has done something real at last. Really, students, It was a great moment in the life of doctor, as he had started his career under Dr. Edward Page. Now he had got success. His future had become bright. Okay, now from that day he had got success, fame in all area that side. And next is goes away, and he goes from there with happiness and contentment. And that day he was going, taking happiness, fame, and many other things. And next is assignment. Yes, students, assignment has been given here. You can see what efforts did Dr. Andrew make to save the lifeless looking boy at birth. So I have told you, given you clue here. Asphyxia pallida was a disease, means unconsciousness due to lack of oxygen, method of respiration, and many other attempts were done by Andrew Manson. How did the old woman feel when she heard the child crying? You are to feel the joy of the lady, and you are to express in your copy. And next question is, how did Dr. Andrew feel after saving the lives of Suzanne Morgan and her child? What was Dr. Andrew's reaction? Dear students, I hope you must have understood, and you are to try to write these things. Thanks for watching this video.